everyone, my name is Amandeep Kaur and I am librarian of this institution. I am going to presenting a PPT on library. Through this presentation, I am telling you what is library and importance of library and how to use our college library. So let's get started with what is library. In simple words, we can say library is a building or rooms or set of rooms where books and other materials are kept. That is called library. And in other words, an institution which hold books, periodicals and other forms of stored material for use by its members and to lend items of its collection for its members and provide various services to users. These are the functions of library. And now, importance of library. The definition by Ray Bradbury is: without libraries, we have no past and no future. Library is an important source of knowledge for everyone. So library provide quiet area of studying and library provides reading habits among the students. And in the class, which books are prescribed may not serve the purpose and some students may not be in a position to purchase all books that they want to read them. So that is why library is important and library play an important library provide a common platform which all students can meet on a common level with equal opportunity. So that is why library is so important for everyone. Dear students, now I am showing you some library photographs. This is the stack room of library. And this is the periodical section of our college library. These are newspaper stands. Location: library is situated at the upper portion of the administrative block. The opening timing of library is 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. on all working days. Now I will move toward about library collections. 25,000 books are available in our library, 13 newspapers and 28 magazines, 33 journals and 455 back volumes of journals and 156 encyclopedias and 250 dictionaries and 225 biographies and 6,000 plus e-journals and 31 lakh plus e-books are available in our library. There are 33 types of journal of various subjects are coming to library on their frequency based, and there are most important journals like Asian Journal of Microbiology, Biotech and Environment Science, Indian Literature, Indian Journal of Pure and Applied Mathematics, and Indian Journals of Marketing, Finance, International Journal of Computer Trends and Technology, Indian Journal of Biotechnology, Indian Journal of Management, Indian Journal of Statistics and Indian Journal of Physics Teachers. These are most important journals. There are 28 magazines are coming to library on their frequency based, and some magazines are based on competitive exams like competition success review and Pratijogta Darpan, and others are Down to Earth, Desert Femina, and Hans India Today, Outlook, Sports Star, Sarita, etc. And 13 newspapers are coming to library on daily basis, like the Tribune, Hindustan Times, the Times of India, the Indian Express, the Hindu, Business Standard, Ajit, Punjab Kesari, and Amar Ujala, Dainik Jagran and Punjabi Jagran. Dear students, our college library is a part of Analyst program and also has obtained the membership to access Analyst electronic resources. Through Analyst, you can access full text, e-journals and e-books. Dear students, you can search our library books through OPAC system. OPAC means online public access catalog, and through this catalog you can search library books, and OPAC has some steps, and the first step is select language English. Second one is uh, click on students, and third you have to fill your password, students 123. Now the software will be open like this, and then you have to click on basic search, and then you have to fill your title name, book title name. The list of that book title name will be shown to you. So in this way, through OPAC system, you can search all books that are available in our library. So we are providing different types of services like internet service, circulation service, book bank service, and current awareness service, reference service, newspaper clipping service, and networking with InflibNet. Internet facility. Computers are available for students and staff member and also used to access Analyst and other works. Circulation service. Most students often ask me about circulation service. What is circulation service? Circulation means issue return. Through this service, UG students can borrow up to 2 books at a time for 14 days, and PG students can borrow up to 3 books at a time for 14 days. And overdue charges of ₹2 per day per volume will be levied for the late return of books. And after 14 days, you can reissue the same title if no other students has reserved it. Book bank service is for needy and meritorious students. Question banks service. The library preserves previous 3-year questions for students. Students are allowed to take the photocopy of the questions. Current awareness service, reference service. In our library, we have a good collections of reference materials such as encyclopedias, dictionaries, thesaurus, atlas, etc. And we are providing reference service for both students and faculty members. Newspaper clipping service, library automation and computerization. We are using eGranthalaya 3.0 version, and students can search the books via OPAC system. General rules. The main rule of our library is for students to carry their ID cards on daily basis inside the library. You can access the books on the shelf through Dewey Decimal Classification. We are using DDC Dewey Decimal Classification Scheme 23rd edition. Subjects are categorized on on this, based on this scheme. And this is our college library website, that is www.gnclibrary.in. This is our online library website. Through this website you can search here online books by 4 filters: by accession number, by author name, by title, and by publisher. You can search books of our library from anywhere. So dear students, if you have to any query regarding this PPT or library collection, then you can contact me. Thank you very much.